You've probably seen the term trading volume before and skipped it and maybe wondered what it means. But it's actually an easy way to tell how active the market is. Imagine traffic on a Monday morning, that's high trading volume. Now imagine a quiet street at midnight, that's low trading volume. It simply means how much of a coin is being traded that is bought or sold at a particular period of time. It could be 24 hours, 1 week, or even 1 month. For instance, if the trading volume of BTC within a day is high, it means a lot of people are buying and selling BTC at a particular period of time, and that's a healthy market. If it's low, that means not a lot of people are interested in that particular period. And at this period, small trades can move the price like crazy. So before you decide to buy a coin that's going up, check to see if there's enough volume. High volume means demand is real, and low volume is a bad signal. And as always, trade smarter with Bitget.